So let's have a discussion about the question number 9. And the question is that expand the binomial expansion. So what is the expansion in the question? That is 1 plus x by 2 minus 2 by x raised to the power 4. Okay. This is the expansion. The final exponent is 4. So n is equals to 4. And whenever you are using the binomial theorem, so we are using the general term formula to open the terms. Now n is equals to 4. The general formula is NCR, a raised to the power n minus r and b raised to the power r. N we know that is the final exponent, that is 4. R we have to take from 0 to n, that is 0 to 4, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 values I have to take. Then what is A? See, binomial means two terms, but here there are three terms. So what I will do, I will take two terms as one. So this I am taking A and this one as B, right? Now A minus B, this is. Whenever there is a negative sign between the two terms, you have to take every alternative term negative. First is always positive, right? When r is equals to 0, right? So it's completely your choice what two terms you want to take as one. I am taking these two terms as one because this will make little calculation easy. Otherwise, calculation is complicated in this question. So I have to take this one in the left hand side. I'm not writing it because it will take my page. So, okay, I will write it here. Then we will start. And please see the calculations very carefully because calculation is complicated here, right? So now let's start with the expansion. So that is equals to NC, first term NC0, that is 4C0. A, that is 1 plus x by 2 raised to the power 4 minus 0 and 2 by x raised to the power 0. First term, second term negative because there is a negative sign between the two terms when r is equals to 1. So 1 plus x by 2 raised to the power 4 minus 1 and 2 by x raised to the power 1. Then third term, 4C2, 1 plus x raised to the power 4 minus 2 and 2 by x raised to the power 2. Then fourth term negative, 4C3, 1 plus x by 2, 4 minus 3 and 2 by x raised to the power 3. Then 4C4, 1 plus x by 2, 4 minus 4 and 2 by x raised to the power 4. Now 4C, we have to open every value. We have to solve it. Please see it very carefully. 4C0, how you are opening the factorial? 4C0, you will open like 4 factorial, 0 factorial, multiply 4 minus 0 factorial. 4 minus 0 is 4. 4 factorial cancel out. 0 factorial is equals to 1. So 1 over 1 is 1. So this value is equals to 1 times 1 plus x by 2 raised to the power 4. And something raised to the power 0 is 1 only. I'm not writing it. Now let's move 4C1. So 4C1 means 4 factorial divided by 1 factorial and 4 minus 1 factorial. This will be 4 factorial. 1 factorial is 1. 3 factorial. Now 4 factorial I will open till 3 because I have to cancel out 3. So 4. Only 4 is left. Then 1 plus x by 2 raised to the power 3 and 2 by x raised to the power 1 means no, you don't have to write anything. Then 4C2 when you will open it, so it will be 2 factorial and 4 minus 2, which is 2 only. So 4 factorial divided by 2 factorial times 2 factorial. 4 factorial you will open till 2. Okay, so 2 factorial cancel out. 2 factorial is 2 times 1. So 2 with 2, which is 6. So 6 times 1 plus x by 2 raised to the power 2 and 2 by x raised to the power 2. Then next 4C3. 4C3 is equals to 4C1 only. So 4C1 is 4. So which is 4. 1 plus x by 2 raised to the power 1 and 2 by x raised to the power 3. Then last 4C4 is equals to 1. So 1 plus x by 2 raised to the power 0. Something raised to the power 0 is equals to 1. We don't have to write it. So I have to write the last term. Okay. So just remove the rough work. So next I will open it. Now I don't have the formula of 1 plus x by 2 raised to the power 4. So what I will do, I will take 4 as 2 times 2 like this. Okay. So 2 times I have to open the whole square formula, a plus b whole square. Now let's open this. So 4 multiply a plus b whole cube, which is a cube plus b cube plus 3ab square plus 3a square b. So 1 plus a cube, that is x cube by 8. Okay. Plus 3a square b. So b is x by 2 plus 3ab square, that is this one. Okay, and 2 by x plus this one. So 6, 1 plus a plus b whole square, that is 2 times x by 2 times 2, which is x only. Multiply as 2 by x whole square, that is 4 by x square. Then next term 4 times 1 plus x by 2 and 8 by x cube. Then plus it will be 16 by x raised to the power 4. Okay. Now I have to rub everything to solve it further. Now if you will see, I am taking baby steps for the calculation so that it will be easier for you to see how you have, I have done it, not you. So I'm taking a plus b whole square, which is a square plus b square plus 2ab, which is 2 into 1 into x by 2. 2 cancel out, x is left, so square, minus 4 multiply with this every value. So 4 multiply with 1 is 4. Then 4x cubed by 8. Then 12x by 2 plus 12x square by 4 and 2 by x plus 6 multiply with this. So 6 plus 6x square by 4 plus 6x, then 4 by x square. Then multiply 4 with this. So 4 plus 4x by 2 and 8 by x cube plus 16 by x raised to the power 4. Okay. Now, if you will see the first term, you have again a square with 3 values. So I'm taking 2 as 1. So this I'm taking a and this I'm taking b. So a plus b whole square again. So a square is 1 plus x square by 4. So a square means 1 square plus 2 square, that is x square by 16 plus 2ab, that is 2 into 1 into x square by 4. Again, I have to open the whole square formula. b square plus 2ab, that is 2 into 1 plus x square by 4 plus x, right? This into, okay, 2ab. Then, so this is the whole, then I will open, multiply every value with this bracket, 2 by x multiply with this, and there is a negative sign, so every term will get negative. So 4 into 2 by x, that is 8 by x, minus, then this value multiply with this. So 4x cubed by 8 and 2. So 4 is cancelled with 8, that is 2. X cubed by 2 and 2 by x, that is x square by some x, nothing, x square only. Then this is 6, 6x multiply with 2x, that is 12. So minus 12. And this will be, next term will be 3, that is 6x only. Okay, you have to multiply this with this. So 4 with 3 and 3 times 2 is 6 and x, 1x is cancelled out with 1x, only 6x. Then plus, so every term multiply with this, 24x square plus, next this multiply with this, 4 cancel out and only 6 is left. Then plus 24 by x, this is left. Then this multiply with every value. So 4, wait a minute. What is this? Okay, what I have done? Something is missing now. Wait, something is missing here. What is that? This is the last term, na? That is 4c3. So 4c3 is 4 only, na? And 1 plus, what was the term? I forget it now. 1 plus x by 2 raised to the power 1. So 1 plus x by 2. So this will be 4. 4 and 2. Yeah, this is nothing. 4 only. Right? Okay. Then multiply 4 with this. That is 32 over x cube and minus 32x by 2 x cube plus 16 by x raised to the power 4. Okay. Now next, what I have, let's solve it further. Okay, so this is the, you have to multiply this one. So the final x, this 2x square by 4 which is 2, just 2 cancel out. So this is 2 plus x square. X multiply with 2 multiply with 1. So 2 and x also multiplying. So 2x plus 2x cube by 4. This is x by 2 or x only? Minus 8 by x minus x square minus 12 minus 6x plus 24 by x square plus 6 plus 24 by x minus 32 by x cube 16 by x square plus this one. Okay. Now let's solve the like terms that you have, which okay. So 1, any other single value, 12 and 6. So 1 minus 12 is minus 11 and minus 11 plus 6. That is minus 5. This one. Okay. Let's solve it further. Then there is nothing. There is no power like x raised to the power 4. Then x raised to the power 2. This is also x raised to the power 2. This is just cancel out with this because same term with negative sign and nothing is left. So x square is the by 2. Then take the terms as x cube 1. So this is the only term that I have. So 2 with 2 cancel out. So this is left with nothing. Then 2x, 6x and nothing. So it will be minus 4x, right? Because 2x minus 6x is minus 4x. Then this, the single term with this 8 by x and 24 by x, which is 16 by x. Then this and this, the like terms, 24 minus 16, which is plus this one. Nothing. There is no term like which has denominator x cube, and there is no term like raised to the power 4. So I think this is the final value, and I hope so. We have done it correct. So thank you. Thank you, everyone.